bog standard front loading washing machine, entry level model, nothing fancy. But it does have this little door at the bottom, and that's how to get access to the filter for the drain pump. Just get yourself a bowl or a plate or something that you can fit under there to catch any water, and a cloth. And let's open it up, take the filter out and clean it. Okay, I'm just putting the cloth under there because I know you'll never catch all the water right. That's the way it goes. Okay, got the door open. And it's anti-clockwise. Oh, there comes the water. Swapping for a plate. Let's try a plate instead because this washing machine is so low. Let's test that, and that's not working either. Alright. Tell you what, I'm just going to make a mess then. I don't have time to faff around. And that's why you have a nice big cloth. Right, and you can see this needs a bit of a clean, so I'm going to clean it out. Doesn't look too bad actually. Nice. Definitely nice. Right, let's give it a quick rinse. There's the after, looks much cleaner, not perfect job, but still way better. Right, let's put it back in. May as well give it a quick wipe on the inside with a cloth. Clockwise, put it back in. And it's got to stop, so it only goes so far. And there we go, that should keep the drain pump inside working better and longer, which means you don't have to repair the machine and it lasts longer. Hope that helps. Cheers.